Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to another WB trading session. I'm your host with the most, Mike, aka FX Dinero, full-time professional trader, guys, managing over $1.2 million portfolio, right? Which I will show here in a quick moment. But for those who don't know, if you haven't been following us, guys, please help us out. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know we're doing great so we can continue to do it. Let us know what we suck at so we can try to improve it. Any comments at all, let us know. Again, like, comment, subscribe, guys, so you never miss another live trading session. All right. And for those of you who don't know as well, guys, WB Trade, we've been around for over a decade, and we're pretty much known for getting and keeping our traders profitable, right? Over 80% of the traders that we have trained ourselves not only became profitable, but we keep them profitable, right? Which is huge, and no mean feat, to say the least, right? Cool. So let's jump right into the good stuff, guys. As I'm sure you all know and can see, the markets are in shambles, right? Absolute freaking shambles, guys. So let's get to this all of this good stuff first. Of course, this is me. Always another trader asked about this, so I always like to show this. Yes. Again, full-time professional trader, guys. So believe me when I tell you the importance of having something mechanical, the importance of actually knowing what's going on. Hey, good morning, good morning. Right, it's super important, guys. And this is why it's so important to have a mechanical trading system, guys. Super important. Today's going to be a short day for the simple fact that I have already looked at the levels, and this is not looking too good. Yes, everything looks yucky today. Yes, it does. Jumping right into the charts, guys. I'll start with GU. I didn't even finish marking this up because it kind of wasn't at any point. Right. The ATR has been exceeded on both GU and GJ, as you can see. And reason being is, look at this huge, once market open, just tanked, right? So huge. If we were to look at this, we can see that the yesterday's daily range was hideous, right? It was around 105 pips, right? So if we go to mark that up on the chart here, from high to low, right, you can easily see that 105 pips is about right here, right at the high. So this is a pass, right? GU for today is a total pass. Pass. Right? I'll even mark it up still like I always do with the yellow ones, right? But let's just do it like this. Yeah, we'll just do one pip above this, right? And make this yellow, right? And then we'll just do the same thing for the other side, guys. Just to get a visual, 105 will be is less than this, but I don't want it to be on the same exact line. So we'll do it something like this, right? This makes this a pass, right? This makes this a pass. It's no way. Right? So let's just reference this. So everything Friday we want to. That's so true. little tricky to do that, but yeah, definitely would have been something interesting to say the least, right? Yeah, super ugly today, guys. All right, super ugly. GU is a hard pass, right? This is probably one of the closest I've seen both of the ATR and the yesterday's high and low. Super tight, guys. So this is going to be, again, a short session. If you got any questions, let me know now because we won't be on here too long at all today. ENJ Mobile. Good morning. Yes, good morning. Good morning. All right, cool. So back into it. So that was GJ. Now let's go to GU. If we go to GU, same exact thing. We go to yesterday's ATR. That would be 215 pips, right? So if we do the same thing here, right, 215, and we just marked up from this low to this high, 215 pips. It would be, as you see, inside the range, guys, which is even worse, right? I'll do it like this, right? And then if we did from high to low, same thing, 215 pips is about right here, right? Same exact thing. Hideous, guys. Hideous. This is probably one of the worst I've seen this, actually. Right, so somewhere around here. And then, whoops, I went over a little bit. But it kind of doesn't matter because it's still inside of it. Yeah. And GJ is even worse than GU, right? So super, super ugly. GJ is a hard pass also, right? That's it, guys. Not too much going on at all, right? As I was saying, gold shorts at 330. Hey, knock it out. Shorts on gold are already pretty low, right? Yeah, I mean, knock yourself out. It's not a bad level at all if that's what you're asking. I would wait for that to bounce off of there first, bounce off that level. But it says shorts at 330. Yeah, I mean 30. Yeah, I mean that's totally up to you. Well, yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for today. Not much going on, as you can see in the markets, guys. Once again, this is why it's so important to have a mechanical strategy here, guys. And as you see on our bot, we just got the alerts, right? Right at 2. So this just came up perfectly fine how it's supposed to. Even on GU, let's go to GU really quick just to check these against the other ones. Not This is a hard no trading day, guys. Like easy to see. So let's just see. We had the overnight low at 28.19. 28.19 for the low. So this is a little bit. Also, this one is 28.27. So not super close, but even if it was 19, that would be even lower than what this is, right? And then let's check out the high, 29.31. 29.31, right? 29.31. So yeah, this is exact 29.31.32 off of about a pip. Same difference in essence. But yeah, guys, hard pass on a no trading day, guys. Right, and again, this is why it's so important too, as I mentioned, guys, to have a strategy. You want to have you want to know what's going on in the markets. You want to not have to think like, right, yeah, now like the bias is a bit more short than it would typically be because the markets are in shambles. But just adding to it, this is just going to give you so much more confluence, right? So understand that, guys. Other than that, no trading day, right? Super short day. I'm going to go ahead and jump off. If you guys want to just jump into the pro community, I'm going to leave the links for that, of course, so you can take advantage of the strategy. Again, no purely mechanical, no thoughts, just going to take all of the emotion away from it. Super, super important in a market like this, guys. I can't stress that enough. So you'll get access to that. Of course, the trading journal. Of course, the bot, which is going to execute this exact strategy for you. Right. Of course, our support as well. Right. So the Discord, email support, weekly calls, accountability calls, the whole 9 yards, guys. I will leave the link for that for you guys to take advantage of, along with the free Discord, of course, too. If you want to just look before you actually jump in, we'll have the link for that as well. And then again, the pro community stuff, you guys will have access to that. But the event stuff, we're not really expanding on at the moment, but you can still book a call. All right. So I will leave the link for you to do that as well. Other than that, guys, be safe out here, right? Be safe out here, be safe out here, be safe out here. And I will check you guys on the next one. All right. Peace.